it's Sasa, and today in this cooking video, I'm going to show how I reheat some leftover rice. In our house, we always cook extra rice in case someone needs it for lunch the next day. This is for 1 bowl of rice, but you can adjust the quantities depending how much you want to make. Rice from the night before tends to be cold and dry. There are a few ways I like to reheat rice. This way is with ginger. You can use more or less ginger depending on your taste. I like a lot, so it's about 1.5 tablespoons of ginger. Heat up a fry pan, and you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. You add the ginger, and then you fry until slightly golden, and it has a nice fragrant and aroma smell. Next, you add the rice. And since it's dry, you need to add some water. You can reduce the heat and cover, and you'll let it steam for a bit. The water will help steam and heat up the rice. It's important to flip over the rice so that all sides can get evenly heated. Cook with the lid off so the rice can get a bit crispy. I turn off the heat, but I don't move the fry pan yet when I add the soy sauce. If you like, you can add fresh ground black pepper. Now I take the fry pan off the heat, and then I'll add the sesame oil. Sesame oil is best to use at the end or after cooking because if you put it before, it loses its flavor. As a garnish, you can sprinkle sesame seeds on top. I chose black ones to give it more color. Please tag me if you use this tutorial so I can see your awesome work. And if you want to and can support me creating more free content, either purchase a coffee or buy something from my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching!